Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver Wix website to your client. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, scroll down, then click on settings. And from the settings page, scroll down until you get to general section. And from here, click on roles and permissions. So from here, you will see yourself as the owner of the website. For you to deliver this Wix website to a client, click on Change Owner. Now enter the email address of the new owner or the client that you're going to deliver this website, and the question will then pop up. What would you describe them as? So since we're going to deliver this to our client, we're going to pick a client. Now proceed by clicking on continue. From here, you have an option to keep your role as co-owner of this site after the transfer and also create a copy of this site and keep it in your account. But you have to discuss this to the client if it's okay to keep these settings on. Then proceed by clicking on continue. To finalize delivery of the website, click on transfer ownership. And from there, the new owner just need to accept the transfer via the invite email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!